Namaste to one and all. We from VRS and Vijnana Jyoti School are here to show you how to join your online classes for the next academic year in Microsoft Teams. In this video, we will show you how to install Microsoft Teams, log in with your account and join your online classes. You will receive an SMS message from the school team with your Microsoft Teams user ID and your password. First, how to install Microsoft Teams. First, you want to open up Google Chrome. So you want to type Microsoft Teams, and once Microsoft Teams once you type it, you want to click here, download Microsoft Teams desktop and mobile apps. Just click that and you get the Microsoft Teams web homepage. And here it will have two icons, download for desktop and download for mobile. For desktops such as PC and laptops, you want to click download for desktop. And here it will say download Teams. Now once you downloaded that, and then once that finishes, you will have this screen up here. Sign in to Microsoft Teams. Now go back to the SMS message and then copy paste your Teams user ID, or just type it in the sign in area where there is given space. Now once you have typed or pasted your Microsoft Teams user ID, you want to either click next or simply just type enter. Your user ID, it will say enter password. Go back to your SMS, either copy paste your password or else type it in. And once you get the password entered, just you want to click sign in. And once you get finish typing your password, you will get the screen update your password. Since this password is one-time password, you want to type in again the current password, which is the one in the SMS, and then type a new password. And then click sign in. And then to join your classes, you need to click on the calendar. After clicking the calendar option, your timetable will show like this. And select which class you are going to based on the time. And then from there, click the join. And then it will give options for this to turn on your camera and microphone like this. And then you want to click join now. And you will successfully enter into the class. When the period is, you have to leave the period, you just click the leave button. Thank you.